There is an ideal time for the human body to do everything it needs to do. Listen to this information to increase your daily productivity. Between 1 to 2 o'clock, it is the time when productivity and attention are at their lowest. Those who continue to work during this time make mistakes because the body is adjusting itself to sleep. At around 3 o'clock, people tend to be introspective and have a higher tendency towards depression and suicidal thoughts. Between 5 to 6 o'clock, stress hormones increase to about 6 times the daytime value. At 8 o'clock, pulse and blood pressure begin to rise. Our heart rate increases from about 60 beats per minute when we wake up to 72 to 78 beats per minute. After breakfast, it is important to be mindful of sugar intake. During these hours, the blood vessels are even narrower. Between 9 to 11 o'clock is the most effective working time. Short-term memory is at its highest level during these hours, making them the most suitable and productive hours for intensive work. These hours are also the ideal time for concentration, logical thinking, and decision-making. Between 12 to 1400 hours, attention begins to wander and drowsiness sets in. The amount of blood flowing to the brain starts to decrease as it is time for lunch, and the blood will be heavily used by the stomach for digestion. At 1500 hours, it is the time when people feel the happiest. This is when the release of the happiness hormone, endorphin, reaches its highest level. Energy is restored for new tasks, our memory is in top form, but the productivity rate is lower than in the morning. Between 19 to 2000 hours, the hormone melatonin begins to be secreted as the sky darkens. Blood pressure decreases, and the pulse slows down. At 2100 hours, it is the most dangerous time to eat. Digestive function has ended, and most organs have started to rest. At 2400 hours, while sleeping, the body begins to repair and renew itself. The nutrients we consume during dinner are used for cell repair. Cells and worn-out tissues are renewed, and our hair grows. Missing this renewal opportunity means we will age faster.